is Jonathan, and today we're going to learn about loop jumper challenge. Identify the repeating pattern for jumping through the portals. In this challenge, a simple pattern works for each of the gems. Figure out how to collect the first gem and then see if that same pattern works for all the gems. So, we would have to do a 4 in 1, 2, and how many gems there are is 5. So we have to do this 5 times. Now, we have to figure out the code to get to the first gem. So, we will move forward, turn left, move forward 2 times more. Now we're on gem, we want to collect the gem. And if this code doesn't work, because after it moves forward, it's going to be facing a blocked area. Then it's going to move forward, turn left the wrong way. So you would have to turn right after. And now this code is pretty slow, so I'm going to do faster and see if Byte collects all of its gems. Now Byte is gonna keep going in this loop until it collects about all 5. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and also leave a like. Bye!